Hello friends, I hope that you are all fine and welcome to my YouTube channel Mirza. Today we are discussing about graphic designing. First of all, the graphic designing is the profession and academic discipline whose activity consists in projecting visual communication intended to transmit specific message to social groups with specific objective. Design is based on the principle of form follow a specific function. Therefore, graphic design is an interdisciplinary branch of design whose foundations and objectives revolve around the definitions of problem and the determination of objective for decision making. Through creativity, innovation, and lateral thinking, along with manual or digital tools, transforming them for proper interpretation. This activity helps in the optimization of graphic communication. It is also known as visual communication design, visual design, or editorial design. The role of the graphic designer in the communication process is that of encoder or interpreter of the message. They work on the interpretation, ordering, and presentation of visual message. The design work can be based on a customer demand or demand that ends up being established linguistically, either orally or in writing. That is, a graphic design transforms a linguistic message into a graphic manifestation. Uh, Graphic design has, as a field of application, different areas of knowledge focused on any visual communication system. For example, it can be applied in advertising strategies, or it can also be applied in the aviation world or space exploration. In this sense, in some countries, graphic design related as only associated with the production of sketches and drawing. This is incorrect since visual communication is a small part of a huge range of types and classes where it can be applied. With origins in antiquity and the Middle Ages, graphic design emerged as a distinct profession in the West in the 19th century, and its evolution allowed it consolidation in the 20th century. Given the rapid and massive growth in information exchange today, the demand for experienced designers is greater than ever, particularly because of development of new technologies and the need to pay attention to human factors beyond the competence of the engineers who develop them. Thanks for watching my video and hope that you all understand my points.